Woo! Hey everyone, this is Daryl from Crypto Daily Trade Signals coming to you live from Vietnam, guys. This is our evening time, drive time update, guys. And it looks like we got the red bear because it's a Debbie Downer day. We're seeing the markets down. We're seeing the crypto's pretty much down. We got the alien in the house, guys. We got lots to talk about. Yeah, we got Elon Musk in the house. He's tweeting again. There was a tweet about Ethereum fees were so high and blah blah blah. And Elon Musk said Dogecoin. So you guys need to go back and watch my previous video. And when I'm talking about Elon Musk, he kind of promised to us that he absolutely promised to us that we would have Bitcoin for Tesla once we had over 50% of the miners in the house using renewable energy. And we're seeing that right now the miners are pretty close to 55%, and that's a proven fact. If we look at the Bitcoin Foundation, headed up by Grayscale Michael Saylor, it's a proven fact. And also when we had that whole B world with Dorsey, everybody came out and told Elon that, look, we're above 50%. And, still Elon is not capitulating. Elon is still not keeping his promise, guys. And that's a real Debbie Downer. And I'm not happy about that. And, this is one of the reasons that we're not seeing Dogecoin going to the moon like we would. And if Tesla came out and made that announcement within the next couple of days, you know what would happen to the Bitcoin price? Bitcoin price would absolutely go to the moon. We see Ethereum go, and we'd see Dogecoin go, So, we got lots to talk about, guys, in the house, guys. So let's take a look at the fear and greed index right now. The fear and greed index is at 32. Yesterday we were at 34, so it's gone down. It's going down in towards the more fear zone. So we're not at an extreme fear yet, guys. A lot of people in the mainstream media, are saying that, look, the bull run is over. That's it. We're in Debbie Downer season, and that's it. Well, I don't believe that for a second. You shouldn't believe that for a second. And we're seeing right now, even though we're seeing the amount of inflows to exchanges has outpaced outflows recently, and that has to do with the recent FUD that we've had from the Fed, and also the Omicron concerns, and this concern right here is causing traders to consider selling funds. On Wednesday, there was about 10,242 more BTC moving on exchanges versus off. So this is the first time that we're seeing this kind of behavior happening, guys. So I'm not selling. I'm not moving any of my Bitcoin onto exchanges. I think it's too early. I think it's way too early, guys. I think it's too early, and I believe that we just need to be patient and wait for this whole cycle to run out. This whole the Debbie Downer event was, basically a black swan event, and I think that things are going to turn around pretty soon. But we really need Powell, the chair of Fed, to kind of put a zip on it, because he's not helping as well. So right now we also see Bitcoin has followed this high time frame structure for 60 weeks. So we're seeing Bitcoin is following the gold fractal, and it's been doing that for 60 weeks. So that's what gives me confidence that suddenly it's not gonna continue. So if this continues, this is what we could expect next. So we can see here that we had all-time retest in 1970. Looks like we could be ending up to an all-time retest pretty soon. And once we get to this Fibonacci level here, and it looks like we're doing that, and we look swing high retest. We saw a swing high retest as well for gold, and right now you can see Bitcoin keeps knocking itself against this rejection level. That's around about 56,000. So once we break about 56,000, that's going to take us up to this Fibonacci level here, and then we could have a little bit all-time high retest. So we could go up to like 65,000, and then we could get a retest back to this line here. And then after that, we could be absolutely going up to this Fibonacci level here and here, as we see in the gold fractal. And that could take us up to 240. So I'm still pretty confident in the house. I'm not giving up. I'm not selling. So Bitcoin sees first downward difficulty move in 5 months amid uncertainty over hodler spending. So we're seeing that the Bitcoin mining difficulty has dropped, and we haven't seen that in over 5 months. So this is a sign that there's less activity and this and that. We've also seen long-term holders distribute 5.8% of the Bitcoin accumulated since March. Findings confirmed. So this just confirms that more Bitcoin holders are moving their Bitcoin back onto exchanges. So, this is the first shot across the bow for Bitcoin, and a lot of traders are panicking, and they're really thinking that this is the end of Bitcoin, and that's why people are moving more stuff on to exchanges. So I don't believe that. However, it may surprise some readers that the current market correction is actually the least severe since 2021. So we can see that this correction is so insignificant compared to other corrections. So that's why I do not understand why people are overly panicking right now. And this is just a black swan event, something that we had way back in March, right? Nonetheless, network fundamentals are now taking the latest dip into account. On Sunday, the difficulty fell 1.5%, guys. So, I wouldn't panic, guys. Long-term holders spending sparks uncertainty. So, you're seeing that a lot of a combination of long-term holders selling high open interest on derivative markets, and other phenomena could spark the continuation of the downtrend to new local lows. And what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be buying the dip, guys. I'm going to be definitely buying the dip. We saw that 5.8% of holders started moving their Bitcoin onto exchanges and selling, guys. So we are seeing a little bit of the long-term holders selling. I'm not panicking. I'm still holding strong, guys. And I believe that if this whole fractal plays out like it should, we could be easily seeing 100, 200K coming in pretty soon, guys. So I'm not panicked in the house. You shouldn't be panicked. Let's take a look at Bitcoin price right now. So Bitcoin right now is just at 56,494. So what you guys all need to focus on right now, focus on this, is that if Bitcoin drops below the 21-day EMA, it's going to be bear. It's going to be bearish. That's the time that I'm going to get out of Bitcoin, is when it hits here, guys. That's when I would get out. This is not financial advice. Remember, none of this video is financial advice. This is just OG expressing his opinion, and this is for educational purposes only, guys. So keep that in mind when you're watching this video. This is not financial advice. Other things we're seeing right now on the 1 hour chart, that Bitcoin is up slightly right now. It's at 56,550, 55, 56 and change. And let's take a look at Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu is not doing too good right now. Shiba Inu is at 42 and some change, and it's below our support line here, 43. So I think that Shiba Inu is going to hang around the 40, 43 area for the next couple of days, and it's really also waiting on Bitcoin to make some moves, guys. So, and also too, we're seeing that from here to here, we're seeing a significant drop, and a lot of people have been taking profits. But keep in mind that 70% of all Shiba Inu holders right now are still in profit. So this is a good time to be alive, guys. Do not panic in the house, guys. We're also seeing that Dogecoin right now, Dogecoin has been forming this huge descending triangle, and we hit bottom here, and here, and I still believe that Dogecoin is going to have a huge breakout. And we did have a bit of a breakout with this whole Elon Musk tweet that we're going to jump into, the whole Elon Musk tweet. And this caused a little bit of a rally and took us up almost 9%, guys. But since then, we've come back down, as is typical. So, this was a whole tweet. CoinDesk was tweeting this out. Ethereum high transaction fees have made DeFi inaccessible to small investors. And this is true. If you guys are trading, $500, $600, $1,000, it doesn't make sense, because the fees can be outrageous. They can be as high as like 130, 150 bucks. So that's why small investors can't get into DeFi. But remember, with DeFi, you've got staking, you've got APYs. I mean, if you look at Matter's Dogecoin, their APYs are close to like 105%. If you look at Pancake Swap, the cake token, the APY is 77%. But you need to use a lot of gas to exchange these on decentralized exchange. So Elon Musk, he did reply Dogecoin, and that's why we had this I call this the Elon Musk effect. And once again, he tweets, it goes up 9-10%, and immediately it goes back down again. So really, I don't know what's going on, but it doesn't really have any long-term holding effect on Doge. So anytime Elon Musk opens his mouth on Doge, it creates a pump, and then it goes back down again. So Elon, if you're going to say something like, yeah, Dogecoin will get to $1. Doge Army, hold, don't sell, don't panic. Give some advice. This one word, Dogecoin. Come on, Elon. You're not helping. I think actually these kind of things actually hurt Doge and hurt the Dogecoin community. I think he needs to be straight up accept Bitcoin for Tesla, accept Dogecoin for Tesla, and once again, stop with these one word tweets. Say something, Elon. Say something. Like you could say that Elon, Dogecoin has high transaction speeds, low transaction fees. It's going to be the world's currency. Create a narrative that really creates a pump that's going to be long lasting. So you can see right now Dogecoin right now is back down to where it was. It's at 21 cents, guys. So that had no real impact, guys. So that's why I just get so irritated right now. We're seeing that the market cap, let me just give this a minty refresh in the house. Minty refresh. So the total market cap is at 2.67 trillion, and we're at 99.53 billion. And the Bitcoin dominance is coming down. Bitcoin dominance is going down, but we're still in the bear. We're having a negative day, a red day in the house, guys. And let's take a look at the coins in the house, and then we'll talk about Ethereum, and then we'll let you get out of here. So right now we're seeing that Bitcoin is even going down more compared to my last video. It's now at 56,462 in the house right now. That's down 2%. We're seeing that Ethereum right now is at 4,533, and that's down 3.2%. We're seeing that BNB is also down 3.46%, and that's down that's at $622 in the house. Solana has gone down. It was painting green all day, and it's gone down 0.21%, and it's at $223 in the house. And look at ADA. It's starting to come back a little bit. I sold my ADA, but don't care. So it's up 6.22%. So this is the first time in a very, very long time that we've actually seen ADA move, and that's because we got this whole new DEX coming that's going to be released I think in the next 12 hours or so. So that's why it's pumping. DOT is looking pretty miserable in the house. It's down 4.4%, and it's at $36. We really need DOT to stay above $40 to make any sense to me. And you can see that the Elon pump had no effect. Doge is down 0.27%, and it's at 21.29. And Avalanche is down 4.61%, and that's $117 in the house. And the ship is going down, guys. The ship is sinking for the ship, and it's going down, guys. And it's just staying at our support level of 43. So that's really what's going on. And Luna is still on fire. It's up 9.567%, guys. So that's looking pretty good in the house. And we can see that right now Ethereum is also, it's come back a little bit, and right now it's at 40, mine is about 45.20, guys. So it is at 45.20, so that's not too bad, and hopefully will continue. So I think Ethereum is going to get back up in here as the Bitcoin dominance drops, so we could see that happening. And let's take a look at sand. Sand, it's just amazing how sand exactly is following. Remember this I drew these squiggles on this chart like I think 3 days ago, and you can see how sand is following exactly. It's 100%, guys. I have not touched this. I swear. And you can see it hit bottom here, and it's starting to bounce up. So you can start to see sand going up right now. And sand is trading at $6.24 in the house. And you can see that also Solana right now, it went all the way up. It retraced a little bit just because Bitcoin is going down. But it's at $222, but we've got some major support at $221. So that's looking pretty good right now. And you can see that the total market cap, let me just give this a minty refresh. So the total market cap right now is down like over 2%. And let's take a look at the OG portfolio in the house. And yeah, it's been a pretty overcast day here in Vienna. It's been kind of cold. Remember, this portfolio is not financial advice, guys. This is only for education and entertainment purposes only. And right now we're seeing that my portfolio is still up 100%, even despite all the Debbie Downers, all the negative Nancy's out there, the ones that are like screaming and yelling and saying, OG know nothing. All I got to say is, and look what's happening, guys. We're up 100%. We're over $5,000 in profit. And the total portfolio value is up, we're up 1x, guys. So that's looking pretty good. So I'm just going to end it there. It's a quick little video. It's an update. Guys and gals, don't forget to follow me on Twitter. We got 3,313 people following on Twitter. Go down there. Smash the likey, smash the likes. Get it. Smash the likes for Alien. Smash the like for the bear. Hopefully the Dino will come back. We'll get the Dino back in the house. We got the whole team. We got the whole team. We got everybody in the house, guys. Smash the like, show some love for the OG. And don't forget to subscribe, UYB. And don't forget to go down and check out my comments, guys. Become a Patreon member. Check out Zen Music, guys. Buy the channel and coffee. And don't forget to check out the merch links. We got tons of merch, guys. And don't forget to do that, guys. And things are looking pretty good. And don't forget to check out the Mug to Mug. Don't forget to check out the Backpack and Pillow Willow. And of course, guys, don't forget to check out the t-shirts and all that kind of stuff. And guys and gals, do a favor. Go over to Wi-Fi Wifey's channel. Smash the like. Subscribe over there. And I just want to say God bless each and every one of you. Guys, God bless you all. Please go back and watch all of my videos. And I love it. You love it. Let's get it, guys. Woo!